Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a tutorial for one stroke roses, so if you want to see how I did this, then stay tuned. So for this tutorial you will need a one stroke in a rose colour. So here I have one which is red and I also have a pink one, and you will also need a leaf green one stroke and a 3/4 inch angled brush and a 1/2 inch flat brush. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you how to do one with the red split cake. So this is by Silly Farm and it's called a rose arty cake. So for the rose I am using the 3/4 inch angled brush, and using a water spray bottle I am spraying the split cake, and then I am using the brush and I am like swiping it back and forward until I've got like quite a good coverage and it's not too wet and it's not too dry. It's hard to explain, but obviously you just have to learn in time how to get the consistency right. So using the longer part of the brush at the top and using the white colour at the top, I'm painting on 5 petals in a circle, and I do this by placing the bottom point of the brush and then wiggling the top bit round, so you're keeping the bottom bit in the same place, and that's how you get this petal shape. And just making sure all the bottom points are pointing into each other and are in a circle. I know it's hard when you're face painting someone else and you kind of are in a bit of a rush, but it's really important that you actually let this layer dry, because if not the colours will kind of merge in together. So just give it a minute and just let it go matte and dry. To paint the rosebud you want to paint a like little semicircle, and make sure the bottom is in between all the petals, and then paint an inverted version underneath, and that creates this rosebud look. And then to create all the petals around it, this is something you need to practice and kind of get the hang of, but you kind of are like wobbling the brush and then dragging it in, and it creates these petal shapes. You know that practice makes perfect. I'm not like an expert at this by any means, but I've just practiced a bit and now I've managed to master this basic rose design. So then I'm just going to add a leaf to the rose. So to do this I'm going into the 1/2 inch flat brush, as I find it a bit easier to manage, and I'm using this tag yellow leaf one stroke, and I'm just building up the colour on my brush. And then to do this, like I start by the petal and I kind of wobble the brush and drag it down to a point, and then flip over the brush so that the yellow is on the inside, and do the same thing on the other side. So there you go, that is the red rose. And then now I'm going to show you in pink. So this is tag stargazer one stroke, just to show you the pink version of it basically. So that's the pink version. Let me know down in the comments if you prefer the pink or the red. I think I painted the red one a bit better, so I kind of prefer that, but let me know what you think. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye.